Alright guys, so today's video is about how to set alarm on smart bracelet. So the first thing to do here is to connect your smart bracelet to your Fitpro app. If you don't have Fitpro app, you can go to Google Play Store and download it. Now when you launch it this way, make sure it is connected. The next thing to do is to go to the set option here and select that. Go to the alarm option and you can see the alarm option here. Now select the plus icon up here and you're going to see the time that you can use to set it, as you can see. Okay, so here I'm going to choose 1 just for testing, 1:27. Okay, as you can see. Now this section is for the days that you want the alarm to be on. Okay, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So if you select this, that means Saturday should be included, but if you toggle it off, that means Saturday is no longer there. Now because today is Friday, I'm going to untoggle all this, so just only today. Now once you are satisfied with that, select confirm and it's going to add it up. So you can add as much as you want by selecting here and go here, select the 24, and if you want to include the days, and you can select confirm. Now let's wait for it to ring. As you can see, our alarm is ringing at 21:24. And if you want to delete any of the alarm that you have here, maybe you don't want it again, just select the delete option by the side like this, and it's going to delete the alarm from your smartwatch. You can delete everything if you want it. Just go ahead and delete it, and that is how to delete it. And if you want to add it, you can also add them back. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Peace.